Have you ever imagined space and time as a vast, unchanging stage? Think again. Einstein theorized that violent cosmic events create ripples in this very fabric, gravitational waves. But how do you catch a ripple in spacetime itself? Today, we're diving into one of humanity's greatest scientific triumphs, the detection of gravitational waves. We'll explore the ingenious technology and the incredible event that finally confirmed Einstein's century-old prediction. Back in 1915, Albert Einstein's theory of general relativity predicted these waves. They're like ripples on a pond, but instead of water, it's spacetime that's stretching and squeezing as massive objects, like colliding black holes, accelerate. The challenge? These distortions are incredibly tiny by the time they reach Earth, shrinking and stretching us by less than the width of an atomic nucleus. To detect such minute changes, scientists built LIGO, the Laser Interferometer Gravitational Wave Observatory. LIGO uses two L-shaped detectors, miles long, each splitting a laser beam down two perpendicular arms. When a gravitational wave passes, it minutely alters the length of one arm relative to the other, ever so slightly changing the path difference of the laser light. This subtle shift is then measured as a change in the interference pattern where the beams recombine, a testament to precision engineering. Finally, on September 14, 2015, LIGO made history. It detected waves from two black holes, roughly 30 times the mass of our Sun each, spiraling into each other and merging, over a billion light-years away. This signal, dubbed GW150914, was the chirp of a cosmic collision, confirming Einstein's theory and opening a brand new window onto the universe. We can now listen to the cosmos in a way never before possible. The detection of gravitational waves wasn't just a confirmation of theory, it was a monumental leap for astronomy. It proved that human ingenuity, persistence, and international collaboration can unlock the universe's deepest secrets. If you found this cosmic detective story fascinating, give us a like, share your thoughts in the comments, and subscribe for more amazing science.